My name is Quan. I am 11 years old. I study at SGKC Uchai. I study robotics at eRobotclub, Kota Damansara. My project is mobile robotic arm. Let me show you my project now. Robot uses a remote to control. Every button has their own function. Like U is for drive front, D is for drive back, left is for robotic arm turn left, right is for robotic arm turn right. 2 is for gripper open, 4 is for gripper close, 3 is for robotic arm go down, 1 is for robotic arm go up. This servo motor is to open and close the gripper. This servo motor is to let the gripper go up and go down. This gear motor is to turn left and right. This gear motor is to go front, go back.